Dr. Harrison, you mentioned in your testimony that it was the standard of care among anesthesiologists to administer anesthesia to the child separately from the mother at 20 weeks. Is that what you said?
It's correct. The considerations for fetal anesthesia are not the maternal indications. It's different indications, it's different dosing. That's
So
correct.
that's the standard of care in America today?
That is correct. And I believe I have a statement from the American Society of Anesthesiologists included in my testimony.
Well, I want the committee to understand that. There is no doubt.
No.
Have you ever
there's
known of an operation, a fetal surgery, at 20 weeks without anesthesia for the child?
no.
Could you be sued for malpractice? Never mind. Austria has limits on abortion on demand at 12 weeks, France 12 weeks, Germany 12 weeks, Spain 12 weeks. So in the 5th month, Ms. Foster, the legal theory here is that there's a compelling state interest to prevent a child from dying from excruciating pain from an abortion in the 5th month. Is that correct?
That's correct, as well as to protect maternal health.
Okay. That's different than the viability standard.
Yes.
Okay. So those states who've enacted laws like this, there has not been a challenge outside the Ninth Circuit. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Okay. Ms. Jordan, do you support limits on abortion anytime in any way during the birthing process?
Yes. I mean, you know,
What
and
would those be?
I think they're the ones that are outlined by the Supreme Court of the United States
Okay.
with respect to that. I mean,
do you support late term? You support the decision? You agree with the decision about late term abortions?
I agree with what the United States Supreme Court has laid out.
Okay, thank you. Ms. Peterson, your testimony is very compelling. I really appreciate you coming here today and sharing your life story. Dr. Harrison, as we try to fashion laws about abortion when and where, how much consideration has historically been given to the child in terms of pain in this country, feeling pain?
Very little. And
How about none until now? This great
None.
country called America has pretty much ignored this subject matter until now. Is that correct?
yes, that's correct.
Now we're talking about it. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Ms. Foster, now we're trying to act on it, right?
Absolutely. Yes.
And we're one of 7 nations in the entire world that allow abortion on demand at 20 weeks. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Thank you very much.